My tongue get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
YouTube! What's up, guys? It's your boy James back with another video. And today we're going to do a full detail review and an on feet for the Air Jordan 1 Low Pollen. I would like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys so much for once again taking time out of your day to stop over to my channel and check out my videos. I appreciate you guys. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James and I make content on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you like content like that, you can stick around by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop videos and you don't miss anything. Now, Jordan Brand has dropped several yellow sneakers in the month of August for us. We got the Jordan 1 High Pollens, we got the Jordan 4 Lightnings, and now we also got the Jordan 1 Low Pollens. And I got the Jordan 1 Low Pollens right here, guys. Now, I actually copped these off of the Nike.com website. Now, it was kind of interesting about this release because, for one, I didn't know that they were dropping, and I'm normally up on my low game, but I was actually not really aware that these were going to be dropping. The other thing was they actually put me in a queue, sort of like they do on the Nike sneakers app when you're entering a draw. And they were like, we'll let you know if you got them. So I was lucky enough to get them, but it's just crazy that in this day and age, even Jordan 1 lows are hard to get. Now, the official size tag on this sneaker reads Air Jordan 1 Low White Pollen. This is a personal pair, size 8, and the retail price tag for the sneaker was $100. And I'll give you guys an up-close look at the size tag. As soon as you open up the box, you do get the white paper with the gold 23 like you do on most Jordan 1 lows. And let's take our first up-close look at the Air Jordan 1 Low Pollen. BAM! Now, since I have the Jordan 1 High Pollen and now I got the Jordan 1 Low Pollen, here's a comparison as far as what they look like next to each other. Now, on the Jordan 1 High, it's a yellow and black colorway, and on this one, it's a yellow and white colorway. But the yellows seem to be a little bit different. They're not exactly the same. On the Jordan 1 Low, this is more of a mustard color, even more so than this one. It's just like a little bit lighter in my opinion. You guys can judge for yourselves, but as you can see, it's close, but it is not exactly the same. Now, my first impression of these Jordan 1 Lows right out of the box is I do think that these are a super clean sneaker. Definitely like the yellow and white contrast, definitely switching it up. Definitely something that I didn't really have in my collection. You don't really get many yellow and white sneakers from Jordan Brand, so to get something like this was pretty cool, and you guys know I'm about that low life. Now, kicking off the review, I'm going to give you guys a full 360 look so you can see the sides and the back of the sneaker and just take in exactly what the sneaker looks like so you know what we're dealing with when it comes to this Air Jordan 1 Low Pollen. Now, as far as the materials go, they're just basic general release Jordan 1 Low materials, so nothing premium, nothing like that. You're just going to get synthetic leather basically over the entirety of the sneaker. So starting up here at the top of the sneaker, you're going to get that synthetic pollen yellow right there. On this mid panel, you will get this white panel that is synthetic white leather with the Nike swoosh right there that covers it, also synthetic blend. And then you're going to get the pollen yellow that wraps around the entirety of the front toe box, also goes up all the lace holes on both sides of the sneaker. When you come down to the midsole, you will get a rubber midsole that goes around the entirety of the shoe. On the bottom of the sneaker, you will get that pollen yellow and that classic Air Jordan 1 design. Now, moving to the front toe box, you will get the white synthetic leather with the perforated holes. And it's pretty hard, guys. There's nothing special about it, nothing premium. There's not really any give whatsoever. You will get pollen yellow laces on this sneaker. No other laces come in the box or attached to the sneaker, but you will get a white lace loop with the Jordan 23 on it. It does come with a white nylon tongue, and then at the top you will get the Jordan Jumpman in pollen yellow. Now, taking a look inside of the sneaker, you're going to get a yellow sock liner with a yellow insole, and then on top of that, you're going to get the Jordan Jumpman in white. Now, taking a look at the back of the sneaker, you will get the Air Jordan Wings logo that is stitched to the back in white. Now the retail price for these sneakers were $100 on the Nike website. They're obviously sold out right now. But if this is something that you want to pick up, they're only going for like around like $130 right now on the resale market, which isn't bad. So if you want to pick them up, you can, you know, on places like Goat, StockX, and eBay and places like that. Now, as far as sizing goes with these, now I buy Jordan 1 lows all the time. I always go true to size. So whatever size you would typically normally wear in an Air Jordan 1, low, mid, or a high, that's the size that you're going to want to pick up when it comes to this sneaker right here. But I want to know what you guys think of the Air Jordan 1 Low Pollen. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope, or are these trash? Comment down below and let me know what you think. Now, before I hit you guys with the on-feet portion of the video, I just want to thank you all for stopping by here, rocking out with me and watching this video. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all the support that you guys always show me. It really does mean a lot to me, and thank you guys so, so much. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button for your boy. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, you can stick around by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell so you never miss any content when I drop videos. Enjoy the on-feet portion of the video, guys, and until next time, peace.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop. Yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. Ooh, never panic. Get a worry, send it up and then advantage. I can't stand it. Out of order way you move and see you scrambling. On offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat this. Tables set, now tables turn. Guys playing, don't say a word. Know the price, cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop.